sweet crew, and welcome to a new episode of
Bake It.
Are your arms ready? Cause we'll be whipping up some naturally flavored lemon cupcakes. Preheat your oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Place your cupcake liners in a cupcake pan. For the batter, you'll need flour, baking powder, baking soda, sugar, butter, egg, milk, pure vanilla extract, lemon zest, lemon juice. In a medium bowl, sift together the flour, the baking powder, and the baking soda. Set aside. In a large bowl, whisk the sugar and butter until light and fluffy. Add half of the dry ingredients and half of the milk, vanilla, and whisk. Make sure not to overmix. Add the lemon zest and lemon juice. With a spoon or an ice cream scoop, fill the liners to half of their capacity. Bake for 12 minutes, then lower the oven temperature to 325 Fahrenheit and bake for another 5 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. While the cupcakes cool, it's time to prepare the frosting. You'll need powdered sugar, unsalted butter, whipping cream, lemon zest, lemon juice, pure vanilla extract. In a large bowl, whisk together the butter and the powdered sugar. Make sure to only add 1 cup of sugar at a time as it flies away as soon as you start your mixer. Add the whipping cream, the lemon zest, and the lemon juice, and whisk. Once the cupcake have completely cooled, you can pipe your cupcakes and decorate them. Last step.
Enjoy!
This recipe is easy and delicious.
Yay!
Make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel to get the latest tips and tricks and recipes, and don't forget to comment what you'd like to see next.
Have a wonderfully sweet week.